Hey everyone, today I'm going to be taking you through how you can be able to make a deposit into your Fundora website or account and then start your investment journey. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go ahead and then show you how everything is done. So I've made a video recently on how to create the account on Fundora and then verify it successfully. If you haven't watched that yet, you should please go ahead and then watch that video and then know how to create your account and then verify it. So once you created your account and then verify it, you will be redirected to this homepage over here, which you're gonna be given a free $10 registration bonus to start with your investment journey. So you could see over here I have a total balance of $500 or 500 USD, which I've deposited into my account recently, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. So when you're on the home page over here, you have to go to the deposit section over here, the one on the left corner over here. And once you click on that, it will show you this page which says which will show you different kinds of deposit method ranging from the USDC to USDT. So you can either choose to use USDC or USDT. It depends on what you want to use. So I'm going to be using the USDT TRC20. So click on pay now, and then the amount, the minimum investment on the platform is $500 or 500 USDT. So I'm going to be inputting in $500 over here, and once you input in your amount, you click on deposit now. So when you click on that, it will take you to another page again, which you'll find the details on how to make the payments and then have your money successfully deposited or approved into your account. So you just have to follow the instructions over here, and then copy this wallet address you are seeing over here. And then once you copy that, you head back to your wallet, your crypto wallet. It can either be Binance, Trust Wallet, or any other wallet at all that you have. You can use it to make the transaction. So I'm going to be showing you how it is done on the Binance. So let me open my Binance and then show you. So this is just a simulation, or I'm just showing you how to do the deposit correctly because I've already done mine already. So when you're on your home page, you go ahead and then click on the access section over here. So on the access section, you have to go back to the home page, right? So I want you to click on the more button over here. Then from there you scroll down and then select the option which says pay. So when you select that, you'll be taken to this page which says send to Binance user and then send on chain. I want you to select send on chain. So from here you are going to search for the coin that you selected on the platform, which is the USDT. Okay, so once you select that, you paste in the address you've copied from the website over here, and then the network, you need to make sure that the network matches with the exact one shown on the website, which is the TRC20. So you select the network, and then the amount, which is 500 USDT or USD, you have to enter that over here. Now mind you, with Binance, when you are transferring money, you'll be charged 1 USDT, so meaning the total amount going to be sent is $4.99, which is not the exact amount. So you have to add the transfer fee or the network fee on it, making it a total of 501 USDT to send before the money can be successfully added into your account. So once you do that, you just have to click on continue. Since I'm not having any funds inside my account, that is not going to work. So when you have fund in your account, you just have to go through the next necessary steps and then approve the transactions, and then wait for it to go through. And then once the transaction go through, you have to go to the transaction details, copy your transaction hash ID, and then take a screenshot of it and then paste here. Paste your transaction hash ID over here, upload the screenshot, and then click on deposit now. So when you do that, the platform is going to show you a notification that your deposit have been received and then being processed. So it will take like some few minutes for the deposit to be reviewed, and then once it is approved, you will be credited with 500 USDT into your account, just like how it is in my account over here. So that's pretty much it. Very simple, even though I haven't made an actual deposit for you guys to see, but I'm sure you will follow this and then be able to make the deposit into the platform and then start your investment journey. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you found it helpful, and then subscribe to the channel. Bye.